In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit Biometrics and Password. Then choose Face Recognition, enter your current login method, and tap on Add Facial Profile at the very bottom. Now you can click on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to turn it on or off, and hit Get Started at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When it's ready, you can name your profile however you want to and hit Done. Then manage those options, and when you're ready, go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!